Hello everybody, and on today's elevator parts video, we're going to be working on this Epco SSL button. Let's go ahead and get started. So this button was given to me by Justin, so a huge thank you to Justin for this button. So taking a closer look at it on the outside, we can see this thing is in decent shape, but it's by no means in great shape. We've got these kind of weird things just kind of pushed in here on the side, these weird like nails, which unfortunately means there's gonna be some holes in the fixture unless we decide to leave these in. These little brails here, you can see the kind of paint or the black text is kind of worn off, and we're gonna try to patch that up with a marker. Hopefully that'll look nicer. So the down button is in pretty good shape. However, the up button works, but you can see back here that it's actually broken. These are just your standard Epco buttons with the same old base, but the front is interesting. We've kind of got these little, almost arrow-like, they're just two little lines, which is actually a more unique design. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. We've got a ton of wires here, which is all gonna go away. We've got this tape, which is as well is gonna go away. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright everyone, here it is, the completed button. And look at that. And if we turn the light off, we can get a better look at that. There's the down, and there's the up. So again, a huge thanks to Justin for this button. I think it looks a whole lot better than it did. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little project video, and we'll see you in the next one.